Finally gonna switch those fucking lights out. Is this shit fucking recording? Oh yeah, it is. Oh, so hey guys. Alright. Yeah, boy. Alright. So, finally gonna switch those fucking lights out. I'm gonna be switching out to some LEDs. Hopefully we can kind of see what it looks like with these lights. As you can see, these are the OEMs. These are with the brights, no brights. Trying to go on a road that's a little bit darker so I can get great visibility on them. So this is what it is basically on the OEM lights. You can see the visibility on it is not the best, and I hate the yellow looking lights. So we're gonna switch it out for some fucking LEDs and get this baby like it's a modern fucking bike. Let's go. Look what we got in the mail today. These nuts. No, but these lights. So I'm gonna be installing the LEDs on the Daytona today. I don't like the yellow lights, and they're not that good at night. So I'm gonna be popping these in. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Should be pretty easy. I mean, for the most part, you don't really need to know how to do this. You kind of just figure it out as you go. And these are the LEDs I got. Super bright. Here, we'll go on this side so I get in the way. Super bright LEDs. Let's see if it focuses. H7s LED kit. And the little one up front, it's a 194. I actually got this at Walmart because AutoZone didn't have it. So if it 194, and that's for this little bulb right here. So let's get to it.
Start to tremble, watch you know, out to sea, yeah. You can see life out the window tonight. If I lose myself tonight, it'll be you and I. Lose myself tonight. I need your love, I need your time. When everything's wrong, you make it right. I feel so high, I come alive. I need to.
Got the bike pretty much torn down for putting in the lights, which is this front one right here, if you can see, and then it's for, let's see right here, these two slots in there, one, and in here number 2. Sweet sauce. Alright,
know, just like I expected, these lights look awesome. Visibility is much brighter, and I would recommend it to anyone that's looking to get LEDs for their own bike. Man, it's gonna help you at night, especially on roads like these where maybe a dumbass deer tries to cross your way, or like that big ass moose that was in Canada. I don't know if any of you saw that. That shit was huge. On whatever bike you're getting it for, the lights are gonna make it look newer.